RGB and smart control. Are you tired of boring, outdated ceiling fans that just spin? What if I told you that you could completely transform the vibe of your bedroom, get massive airflow, and do it all from your smartphone? Today, we are looking at this incredible 42-inch smart ceiling fan. And the best part? It comes in a 2-pack, meaning you can upgrade to rooms for the price of one. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you get 2 complete sets. This is perfect if you're renovating a master bedroom and a guest room, or maybe a kid's room. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly lightweight the motor housing is. Unlike those heavy, clunky metal fans from the 90s, this modern flush mount design is built for today's homes. The 3-blade design isn't just sleek, it's engineered for maximum aerodynamics. Endless RGB colors. Let's talk about the coolest feature, the lighting. With the included remote, you can easily cycle through 3 standard color temperatures. You've got your warm white for a cozy evening, neutral white for everyday use, and daylight for reading or working. But here is where it gets crazy. Open up the Bluetooth app, and you unlock a full spectrum of RGB lighting. You can set it to a calming blue, an energetic red, or even dynamic modes that sync with your mood. It's an absolute game changer for gaming rooms or teenagers' bedrooms. Now, a fan is useless if it doesn't move air, right? Despite its compact 42-inch span, this thing pushes a massive amount of air. Watch what happens when I crank it up to the highest speed. The breeze is strong, consistent, and instantly cools down the room. But listen, or rather, don't listen. It is whisper quiet. The DC motor is incredibly efficient and balanced, meaning no annoying wobbles or humming noises while you're trying to sleep. Check the link in description. Plus, warm a Planet 2-pack. To wrap it up, you're getting 2 stylish, lightweight, high airflow fans with smart Bluetooth RGB control in one package. It is seriously one of the best value upgrades you can make to your home right now. If you want to grab this 2-pack for yourself, I've put a direct link down in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home upgrades, and I'll see you in the next video.